right, it's day 166 on the Appalachian Trail, and I'm here with a bunch of people from REI and Asheville. Woo! These are the coolest people ever. Look, they're out here cooking. They got all Uber equipment, and it rained all night, and it rained like a son of a gun yesterday. All right, here we go. All right. It is a wet, wet morning. It's thundering in the far distance. I don't think we're going to get any more of that, I hope. Already gone about 3 or 4 miles this morning on day 166. And it is uber foggy, super foggy. Spent the night at the shelter last night, Derrick shelter. And golly, about 2.5 miles out, a big old thunderstorm hit. I mean, lightning, thunder, and real strong winds blowing sideways. I felt like Forrest Gump when he was talking about in Vietnam. Rain sideways and up. So anyway. Got to the shelter, and there was this one nice couple from Asheville, and they said, I believe there's a big group coming. So I claimed my little corner that I like, put out my stuff, and put on my puffy jacket, and kind of got warm. Went and got water, and then they started coming. It was an REI group, really interesting. They had a couple of people who were like the guides, who were taking care of them, and you had all skill levels of hikers. Some people were on their very first backpacking adventure, and they were hurting. Then you had more experienced people, but they just were all very nice and friendly. I got in my sleeping bag about 8 o'clock. It was thundering and lightning. They were chatting. Thank goodness the rain on the metal roof was so loud. I just drifted off to sleep. Woke up about 2 o'clock in the morning to do my business. And then my alarm went off at 6:30. And I thought, Lordy, it's early. And it was pitch black. So I laid there a few more minutes. Then I realized I have such a big day today to try to do. I better get moving. So I was the first one up. I was trying to be quiet, but when you let the air out of that mattress, as much as I love that mattress, by the way, Neo Air, people started stirring. I got up, went and got my food bag off the bear cables in the rain. But I ate my honey bun, brushed my teeth, got loaded. Started off with my rain gear this morning. I climbed some mountain a while ago. Oh my God. Thought I was gonna need a ladder. Anyway, I got to the top of it. I was perspiring. So I decided to take off my rain gear, and even though I'm walking in the fog, and it's cool. I can do better in cool than I can hot. Got a little cold in my sleeping bag last night. I got a 35-degree bag, and so I woke up, pulled my puffy on, zipped it up, and then got back in there. Then I was toasty with the hood. So it did its magic. Alright. Well, anyway, Spence Field Shelter is not too far ahead. I'm gonna stop there and maybe grab a snack later. And then they have a privy I may take advantage of. I've got Thunderhead today. I've got Rocky Top today. Unfortunately, the only views I have are clouds. It's kind of like going over Clingman's Dome yesterday. Had a great climb yesterday going up. Just felt like Superman. And then I got to the top and no views. Today won't have any views. Say it's supposed to clear off today. So we'll see what happens. Well, anyway, here we go, day 166 on the Appalachian Trail. I got a little bit of a view. This is Thunderhead Mountain. Just came off the peak of it. Right in front of me is Rocky Top. You'll always be home sweet home to me. And this is the infamous Rocky Top. All right. Get up there. And there's supposed to be views from here. Let's see. There's some fog. Oh my goodness. That's all right. This is where every bulldog ought to be. On top of Rocky Top. Yeah. All right, this is Spence Field Shelter. Pretty shelter. It's got a privy. It's about 2/10 of a mile off the trail. It's closed now due to aggressive bear activity. So won't be spending the night here. I've got a long way to go before I can think about spending the night. Stop and have a little snack. Used the privy. Now I'm back on the trail. All right, here I am, day 166, and I just met this young lady, and she's a long distance hiker. What's your trail name?
Heartseeker.
Heartseeker, and she started at Dix Creek Gap. Do you remember when? About
August 25th.
August the 25th. So she's making great time. Way to go, Heartseeker.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
All right. I'm coming in on Molly's Ridge Shelter. This is the first shelter if you're northbound in the Smoky Mountain National Park, or the last shelter if you're southbound. I remember staying here a couple of years ago. There was about 40 of us, 50 of us. I was with that bubble. I couldn't believe it. All right. Real pretty. I like the design with the fireplace. All right, here we go. All right, day 166 on the Appalachian Trail, and I just met another flip-flopper. All right, what's your trail name?
I'm Flip.
Flip. What a great name for a flip-flopper.
That's
and
it.
You said you started in Harper's Ferry?
Harper's Ferry on May 18th. Summited Katahdin on August 4th, and now I'm doing the southern section from Springer all the way back to Harper's Ferry. So
That's fabulous. I love it. All right, my friends. All right, happy hiking.
Greeter, take it easy. Happy trails to you.
Thank you. This is the view from the Shuckstack fire tower. It's Lake Fontana. There's the dam. There's sparrows flying around. Mountains everywhere. It's beautiful. Came over those today. Right. I'm coming down this big old long trail to the Fontana Dam. I just came across a mama bear and at least one cub. I think it was two. I'll say it's one though. And mama bear took off. Yeah, thank God. And then the cub followed her. And I said, "Anybody down there?" And I heard the little bear go, meh, made a little sound. That was pretty cool. As long as they're going the other way, it's cool. This is a long downhill coming down from that tower to the dam. Today has been a long day. 23.8 miles. I'm still not there. The plan's to get on the dam, go to the visitor center. You can actually take a shower there. I think I'll make my dinner and everything there. I hope they have lights. And then take a shower, get cleaned up, get everything ready, and then walk the 4/10 over to the Fontana Dam shelter. They call it the Hilton. It's such a nice place. And crash for the night. I'm going to do a fairly easy day tomorrow, and then maybe a 15-mile day the next day, and that'll put me at the NOC, and that's where I want to be. I'm going to get picked up at the NOC, go see my buddy John and his wife, get to take a 0 day with my lovely wife and the two of them. That'll make life better. I don't know, it's been pretty good though. Bears, rain, thunderstorms, Appalachian Trail. It's all good. All right, here we go. Well, this is a different view of Fontana Dam. So I'm finally here. It's 8:30 at night. We've got these nice lights on it. There's the lake out there in the dark. Thank goodness there are lights here. Okay, here I am. There's the visitor center over there. That's that bunch of lights. $23.8 today. Yeah, baby.